Welcome to Strawberry Place, the ultimate heaven for students in Newcastle, where luxury meets convenience. With a wide range of studio options for you to choose from. Picture this, a private studio that comes with a cozy bed, spacious wardrobe, a study desk along with a fitted private kitchen, and an ensuite bathroom. Not to forget the common amenities like an equipped gym, movie room, coffee lounge, and spacious hubs to make your stay more enjoyable. Enjoy grab-and-go breakfasts, free-to-use bikes, regular housekeeping, and amazing weekly events that'll make student life a blast. Only a 10-minute walk from Newcastle University and a quick 8-minute drive to Newcastle College, you're practically living next door to your lectures. And the location. From tennis in Lees Park to exploring Granger Market, it's all right at your doorstep. Stroll to St. James Park, catch a bus, and then venture into the vibrant Chinatown. And for some culture, there's the Great Mirth Museum, Hancock, and the Discovery Museum that are just a short drive away. With everything you need and more, make Strawberry Place your new home. Visit amberstudent.com to know more.